Boston Town goes right there. Whoever's friends will be very careful.
Sure, absolutely.
It's okay, fella. If you're worried, why don't you stay here and keep an eye on them? You can nap when they're done.
Hundley would not rest until the last piece of track had been laid. But before Hundley knew it, the West was done.
Doesn't it look great? Uh-oh, the track is missing a pin. See? There it is. Oh, excuse me, sorry.
The pin was lost.
Don't worry, we'll find it.
Not only was the pin lost, but the apartment was a wreck.
I wish there was a quick way to sift through all this dirt. Hey, good idea, George. We can make sifters with our fingers.
But sifting is a slow business and boring. It made a sleepy dog even sleepier.
I feel like I'm wandering some old Western movie. Oh, my darling, little pin. First we had you, then we lost you. Wish we'd see you once again. First we had you, then we lost you. Wish we'd see you once again.
Morning, Deputy. Big day today with train tracks joining up. I wrote a little song all night. Would you like to hear it? It goes something like this.
Prairieville was neat and clean, had the best sheriff you've ever seen. His deputy was Homer Ball. But all that's about to change when the tracks join across the range. When the tracks join across the range.
Howdy, Deputy. Time to mosey over to the tracks.
Everything was set for the ceremony. The deputy was confident it would all go without a hitch. But suddenly, a stranger rode in. A stranger could have bad news.
Ew, yucky.
Well, aren't you
Hands
a
down.
cute little fella? Did you just get into town?
Want to come see the train tracks get joined?
Bye-bye.
The deputy had to keep an eye on that one.
Citizens of Prairieville,